Hey guys, it's D Tracker here, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the door panel, which is this one here. If you were to replace your speaker in the Maserati Ghibli, you're gonna need a trim kit, something like this. You're gonna pry out this, the Windows controller, and take out the clip and put it somewhere. And the next thing, we're gonna pry out the key holder, which is this one. The key holder is hot. We put it down. Okay, so you have several screws that need to be removed. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is inside of the hole there. Then we have to remove this cover. So the way you do that, you pull the cap off, put it down, and then we're just slowly gonna rock this up. What I did, I used my trim kit to push it up, so that way it comes up evenly. Here we go. All right, so now that we remove all these things, so we are ready to unscrew the door panel. So here, it's got one screw. I'll put it there. Two. Put it there. And this is the last one here. The other thing you should remember, always make sure you have a magnet tip. If it's not, then you want a magnet antenna, just in case things falls in there, so you can try to pull them out. All right. So now we got all the screws out, so let me show you where they were. Over here, we have those two, and you have one here in this hole and one here in that hole, and we already removed the one that was there. So now all we got to do, we're just gonna pull this nice and slow to pop it out. So put the camera back for you. Alright, so now let's go ahead and pull this up. That's it, got it. And you just slowly pop it. There we go. Door panel's out. Now we are ready to remove the speaker. A lot of people has questions about how do they install an amp in the Maserati, and so that's the biggest question. Obviously my car is a little bit messy right now. Nobody really know how to do that process. So today this video really is for me to talk to you about how do you really change your speaker from the original Maserati speaker, which is this one here, right here, and then we changing it to JBL. So JBL is owned also by Harman and Cardon speaker system, which is the same one in there that says Harman, but it's for Maserati. So what I did, I changed the speaker on this door only so far, which is a driver's side door. So there's a video also for how to remove the door panel in order for you to install your speaker and stuff like that. So it's not that complicated, and it's also not as easy as well. So if you don't pay attention, you'll break a lot of things. So next thing is that it comes with a bracket. So the JBL speaker system is the only one that comes with a bracket that will actually fit inside of the Maserati door panel. Other than that, any other speaker system that you bought, which I bought this one here, I had to design one for it, but unfortunately the template that they sent it with didn't work, so my design ended up being worthless. So but anyway, I will redesign it and make it available to everyone, just like the Harman and at the JBL bracket, so that way you can install any kind of speaker in your Maserati without any problem. So right now on this door I have the stock speaker because I haven't gotten to those door yet. On this door, this is the the new speaker that I put in there, so I'm just gonna turn up the volume real. It sounds pretty cool, it sounds pretty neat. So right now I'm in the process of installing it, so I'm just gonna stop from there and install everything, and so that way I can finish, because I've been at this for quite some time now. So most places that you go to get your speaker installed, they will tell you I'm sorry, you got to take it to a special audio shop, or nobody know what speakers goes into the Maserati Ghibli door or the Quattroporte. So Quattroporte and Maserati Ghibli, they all have the same size speaker, and any of the JBL speakers will fit as long as it's a 6.5 inch. It comes with the bracket that will fit exactly inside of it. All right, so don't let nobody fool you, tell you that you can't put you gotta buy special speaker like the focal speaker to put on there. That's gonna run you about almost like $500. Hey guys, so now I just take off the back door, just finish install the JBL speaker on there, but before I put the enclosure on there, I want to make sure I test it to do that. But the only thing I didn't do any sound dampening on there, which is why that I may have to take this off again, but for the most part I don't think I'll need that. So let's test the speaker to make sure it works. It sounds so much better now, guys.